The Total All Blocks in Project tool allows the user to get the total number of a specific or all blocks that are used in the entire project. It's a pretty simple tool, so I'll just go ahead and hit the icon. And at the command line, it's asking for the block name to find where it's been used, and that wildcards are okay. So, for example, I could try to find where any vertical terminal that breaks the wire number is used in the project. So I'll hit VT1 asterisk, hit return, and now it's going to ask you to locate the base folder for your project. So we'll go ahead and do that now. Once you select your project folder, it's going to create a block list CSV file, which you can save anywhere on your hard drive. So let's go ahead and save it. The block list file is pretty simple. In the first column, you see the total number of that specific type of block that's used. So here we have 16 of the schematic terminal junction box block. Then we've got 32 of this version and then 72 of the square. And then it shows you a list of the drawings where that block is used. This information is also printed out to your command line history, which you can see right there. So this tool is helpful for finding blocks maybe that you have changed or updated, or maybe even finding some blocks that need to be exploded or things like that. So it's a nice little tool to help clean up your projects.